That fancy phone in your pocket? It's pretty incredible. It can deliver emails and the news, book flights, help you find virtually anything. There's not much it can't do. Now add to the list, display HVAC systems pressure and temperatures, and store all that information for easy access. It's Paul again, and we're talking about the new Yellow Jacket Man-Tooth wireless digital pressure and temperature gauge. Your HVAC service calls just got a lot easier. With the Man-Tooth wireless PT gauge, you can leave your hoses and manifolds in the truck. That's because the Man-Tooth gauge uses a wireless connection to give you the precise information that you need to complete a job thoroughly and quickly right on your smart device. The Man-Tooth gauge calculates and displays a system's actual pressures, temperatures, superheat, and subcooling in an easy-to-read color format right on your phone. It's got a range of up to 300 feet, so you can check on another unit, or on a hot day, go track the data from your air-conditioned truck. And what's really great, besides giving you mobility while on the job, is the Man-Tooth gauge stores all this important service data from all your jobs with a timestamp, so you know exactly when the job was done. Key information, like which refrigerant was being used, high and low pressures, saturation points, superheat and subcooling values, and the date of service. All this data is intuitively stored by customer, date, and equipment for easy reference. And you can share screenshots of this information via email right from the job site. The Man-Tooth gauge comes with a built-in Schrader port, so you can easily adjust refrigerant charge. What this means for you is this. The Man-Tooth wireless digital PT gauge is not only going to save you time and money, it's going to make you a more reliable and thorough service technician. The single Man-Tooth package includes one pressure temperature module with boot, a temperature probe clamp, a USB charging cable, and the Man-Tooth app. To measure both high and low pressures at once, you'll need 2 single units, or you can buy the dual package, which gives you a second pressure sensor and clamp, which is tethered to the main unit that has the radio inside. So there you have it. The Man-Tooth wireless digital PT gauge gives you a lot of HVAC service power right in the palm of your hand. That's it for now. We'll see you next time.
With over 10 years of experience building automated AC systems and a reputation for providing the best quality tools and equipment for AC professionals since 1949, Yellow Jacket once again proves it knows what it takes for service technicians and shop owners to meet today's tough service standards. Introducing the newest refrigerant management system, Yellow Jacket's RMS 37880. Not only does the 37880 have some of the same features you've enjoyed on the 39800, it also meets the Society of Automotive Engineers standard number J2788. To satisfy this new standard, the RMS 37880 was engineered to remove a minimum 95% of the total charge of a vehicle. In addition, it had to have an overall charging accuracy of plus or minus a half ounce. This means that the RMS 37880 will remove more refrigerant and charge more accurately, saving you money, improving the performance of your customer's AC system, and improving their gas mileage. The RMS 37880 will arrive to your location requiring minimal setup to integrate with your shop. First, simply remove the band supporting the storage tank and place the tank onto the scale. Next, fill the vacuum pump with the Yellow Jacket oil provided with the unit. Do this by first removing the thumb screws that hold the pump in place. Rotate the pump towards you and remove the oil fill cap. Using a funnel, pour the oil into the oil fill hole until the sight glass gauge is about half full. Cap the oil fill hole once again. Remove the red shipping cap, rotate the pump back into position, and reinstall the hold down bolts, and the pump is ready to go. Next, fill the unit with refrigerant. Attach the high and low side hoses to the unit and locate the tank refill adapter from the accessory box provided with the unit. The accessory box includes the owner's manual, warranty card, hoses, tank refill adapter, yellow jacket oil, and a 1-pound test calibrator. Now, place the tank refill adapter on the cylinder of virgin R134A refrigerant. Remember not to over-tighten this adapter. Open the valves on the tank located in the lower rear of the unit. Power up the machine, and when the display reads Select Mode, press the tank refill button. You will then be prompted to connect the blue hose to the R134A cylinder. Do not open the valve on the R134A cylinder at this time. Connect the blue hose with the low side coupler to the tank refill adapter. Open the low side coupler by turning the handle clockwise until it stops. Now open the valve on the R134A cylinder. You should be reading pressure on your blue low side gauge. When you do see pressure on the blue low side gauge, press the start button and begin the process. Once the process is underway, please invert the tank as shown here. The first fill will take some time because the unit has to fill all of the internal plumbing of the 37880. When the process is complete, the unit will automatically shut off. You will quickly notice how easy it is to navigate your way around the 37880's control panel. There are a variety of modes including weight conversion and refrigerant management mode, which offer flexible and efficient operations for all your specific AC system needs. The refrigerant management mode tracks your refrigerant usage for each and every job, as well as complete year-to-date information. The most dynamic feature of the RMS 37880, however, is its full cycle mode. With the push of a single button, you get a full cycle: recover, recycle, evacuation, and recharge, bringing your customer's vehicle back to factory specifications. Let's take a closer look at the RMS 37880's truly automatic feature, the full cycle mode. Now first, refer to the pre-operation checklist in your operation manual, and second, make sure the vehicle's AC system has been put in the off position. Now, simply press Mode 4 on the control console for full cycle, and the LCD will prompt you to connect hoses. Connect the high and low side auto service hoses to the high and low side service ports on the automobile's AC system. Open the service hose valves and press Enter to continue. When the LCD reads Set Vacuum Time, set the vacuum hold time by pressing and holding increase or decrease until the desired time is shown. Release the button and press Enter. Next, the LCD should read Set Vacuum Hold Time. Use the increase or decrease keys once again, setting your desired value, and press Enter. If you set the vacuum hold time to 0, the 37880 will simply skip this part of the full cycle. The LCD will now ask you to set charge amount. Use the increase or decrease buttons to set the amount of refrigerant to be charged into the AC system and press Enter. The 37880 will now ask you whether or not you want to inject oil. Answer yes or no, and the unit will prompt you to push Start. Press the Start key, and the RMS 37880 will begin the full cycle operations. The unit will start to recover and then evacuate the system. The LCD will indicate the vacuum time, and the unit will prompt you to inject oil now. Press and hold the Oil Inject button until the desired amount of oil is injected into the AC system. When the desired amount of oil is injected, press the Start key to begin the charging process. Since you are in the full cycle mode, the 37880 will automatically start the charging cycle. The LCD will display the progress of the charging process. When the desired charge amount has been transferred to the AC system, the 37880 will beep to let you know it's finished. Verify at this time the LCD is displaying full cycle complete and press the reset button. The LCD will read Check Oil Levels, and then it will read Hoses Need Clearing. Press Enter and the unit will prompt you to disconnect vehicle. Shut the service valves and disconnect the high and low side auto service hoses from the automobile. Press Enter one more time and the LCD will read Clearing Hoses. Lastly, measure the oil in the oil drain bottle, dispose of the recovered oil using proper procedures, and press Reset to return to the select mode status. With the launch of the RMS 37880, Yellow Jacket has proven once again that it knows what kinds of tools and equipment AC professionals are looking for. That is why auto manufacturers like Ford, Chrysler, Toyota, and Lexus have approved the 37880 as the refrigerant management system of choice for its automobiles. In addition, construction and mining equipment manufacturer Caterpillar has approved the RMS 37880 for dealer use to keep their equipment running cool. Yellow Jacket is so committed to its equipment and clients that it offers free lifetime technical support for the 37880. Remember to always exercise safety first by reading the general safety instructions and warnings in your operation manual. All refrigerant containers, equipment, and hoses are under pressure, and the inhalation of high concentrations of refrigerant vapors is harmful to your health. Thank you for choosing Yellow Jacket, a proven performer for AC professionals since 1949. Visit yellowjacket.com for our full line of AC service tools and equipment. If the label on your AC tool reads Yellow Jacket, you can count on years of trustworthy performance.